Hey, it's your boy Johnathan Mullaney with Village Land Shoppe. Today I'm here at the Kachina Village Wetlands. You come up Tovar, which is the frontage road by I-17, in front of Kachina Village. You go all the way to the end. You'll come up to this parking lot with the trailhead right behind me. If you want to discover some wildlife, see some water, or just a nice walk, come on up and discover Kachina Village. This way. If you're a bird watcher, make sure you stop and check the sign behind me at the entrance. There is a bird of the month, some information, also a checklist of all the birds you may find here. I've been coming here for over 20 years and I still have not completed it, but I'm getting close. There's also a pet station here. Come on, let's go.